Hydrates the body. Cucumbers are mostly made up of water, making them a great food to help keep you hydrated. Low in calories. Cucumbers are low in calories, making them a great option for those looking to lose weight or maintain a healthy weight. Contains antioxidants. Cucumbers are a good source of antioxidants, including vitamin C and beta-carotene, which can help protect against cell damage. May help lower blood pressure. Cucumbers contain potassium, which is known to help lower blood pressure. May improve digestion. Cucumbers contain a compound called cucurbitacin, which has been found to help improve digestion and reduce inflammation. May aid in weight loss. Cucumbers' low calorie and high water content make them a great food for those looking to lose weight. May help reduce inflammation. Cucumbers contain anti-inflammatory compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. May improve skin health. The high water content in cucumbers can help keep your skin hydrated and improve its overall appearance. May improve bone health. Cucumbers are a good source of vitamin K, which is essential for proper bone health. May improve cardiovascular health. Cucumbers contain compounds that may help improve cardiovascular health, including reducing the risk of heart disease.